Hello there and welcome to the new Qlik Sense tutorial video, and in this video we will going to look at the below function. So in the previous video, if you remember, we have looked at the above function, but this below function do the opposite, which is picking up the values below to the current row. Alright, so let's select the table first and add this column. And as you can see, this is a very simple table which has the product subcategory along with the sum of sales. Now what I'll do is I will add a measure in the expression editor below and sum of sales. That's the minimum what I need to provide to make the work happen over here. And if you see this table, what do I have is basically this value is going here, this value is going here, this value is going over here. So this is a way by which you can simply pick the value which is below to the current value for the purpose of, let's say, manipulation or some multiplication or anything that you want to do to achieve the desired business logic. Now, not only this, you can specify. So by default it is going one level down. If you want to go two level down, then you can specify 2, and now in that case this 822, which is 2 level down, is coming over here, this value is coming over here, and so on and so forth for the rest of the values. Alright, one last thing which I will show you about this is taking a range and then providing the calculation. For example, we want to take a range of 3 values or 4 values and then put it over here in this column. So what I can do is I can simply say 3 and wrap this around. So this 3 will indicate the sum or whatever calculation I will just provide will happen in the range of 3 values only. So if I just say range sum, it can be range sum, range average, whatever we want, and click apply. This way it will start taking the range of 3 values, these 3, then these 3, then these 3, based on the offsetting that we are providing. So as you can see, it can be very tricky because we are going 2 level down over here and then doing a sum. So these 3, then these 3, then from here to here, then from here to here. I hope you have got the idea by now what it is doing. But below function is very useful, like I just mentioned, in those scenarios where a custom calculation is required based on the values which are below to the current value. So that's about it in this video, and I will meet you in the new video with a new topic.